Pinkie Pie, Pinkie Pie, Pinkie Pie, Pinkie Pie. A very dusty Pinkie Pie. Just a couple hundred Pinkie Pies. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a Pinkie Pie makeup tutorial. As I showed you, I love my little pony, and I have one of the original G3 Pinkie Pies here with me. Remember to hit that subscribe button, and let's go ahead and get started. Pinkie Pie. So the first thing I'm going to do is apply my foundation and concealer. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Now I'm going to put on some concealer. So, yeah. Now it's time for contour. I'm just going to do a quick contour. Look guys, I cleaned all my makeup brushes. You'll be proud of me this time. Yeah, just going in with a little quick contour. Apparently my middle part's cool now, even though it looks really bad right here. Now, of course, we have to go in with some blush. Pink, of course. My favorite, and Pinkie Pie's favorite. Yes. So, my mirror moved over here. What the heck? My camera's moved over here. This is so embarrassing. Ah, everything's falling. Okay. Perfect. Yeah. Boom. And now it's time for eyeshadow. Okay, we got two of my NYX palettes. And I think I'm going to start with the light color in I Love You So Mochi. Clean brushes because I clean them because I'm a responsible adult. La la la. Okay. Just going with a light pink. Then I'm going to go in with the NYX Ultimate palette and do that pinky. Whoa! Almost dropped it. Do that pinky shade I like right here. You guys know I've almost hit pan on it. Gonna add a little more of that I Love You So Mochi palette right here. The darker shade. Go in with the My Little Pony ColourPop shade in Sunbeam. They stopped making this, but I know one that's like it I have over here is 19H2 and the Super Shock Shadow. Yeah, that one. Or Urban Decay has a Moon Dust one. That's like kind of the same purpley thing. I think I like purple glitters, but today is not about purple. Today is about pink, so only putting a little bit. I'm going to go in with the My Little Pony one, like so. Perfect! Okay, now. Actually, it's not perfect. I mean, there's always room for improvement, but this is pretty good considering how much trouble I've had with makeup in the past. So, yeah. It's eyeliner mascara time! Kind of messed up on this side, but whatever. Okay, I really messed up on this side, but you know, it kind of looks like a pony eye, so that's that. Mascara. Are my eyelashes big enough? Do we look the same? Kind of. Now for fun, I'm going to try and draw her balloon cutie mark on my cheek. So, here we go. Time lapse of me struggling to do this. But I'm going to give it a shot. So here's what I came up with. It kind of looks like it. I mean, I tried my best. It's not really that good, but hey. It kind of looks like Pinkie Pie's balloon cutie mark. So I'm going to go ahead in with some highlighter and some lipstick, and yeah, like so. I always try to be super creative and then it ends up looking like crap. But you know, I try. Maybe you guys send me a picture if you can do a better one. I'm sure you guys can. You're super smart. So, we're going to do a pink lipstick. Oh my god, this is a lot. I freaking love it! I am so pink right now. I am ridiculously pink. But let's add some gloss. And highlighter. And that's the look. To the outro. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. I hope you liked this Pinkie Pie makeup look. I tried my best. It looks pretty cute. Thanks for sticking around, and remember to hit that subscribe button. I love you guys. Tweet me pictures if you do this yourself, and yeah, Instagram and Twitter down below. Be safe. I love you guys.